Hello there. Today, last night, I installed the turntable platform for the hips. So now Marduk will be able to rotate back and forth. It's just a bunch of casters surrounding a central shaft, so it can rotate around. I'll probably add some wooden stops or something to keep it from rotating too far. And I'll just set my phone down so I can show you a bit of the rotation more easily. I'm not sure how the structure of this bottom part is going, because with the, before that I had this two-tier system, so it added a lot of support for the, leg pylons. So I might be doing some sort of a doubling up strategy with this as well, which means it'll be making Marduk nearly a foot taller. So we'll be nearly getting close to 12 feet. And I've stored a bunch of crap in the cockpit right now, so I'll probably be hooking up the turning pedals tonight, maybe. Just a pedal that you push forward and it pulls against the torso, causing it to move forward and on each side or whatever. So that's all for this little update for today. Until next time, bye bye.